college students, are you tired of paying over the selling price of your car to keep it running? Do you want an affordable ride that will not get you laughed off the road or turned down on dates? What you need is the all-new Lada 2107.
When you buy a used beater car from Craigslist, you run the risk of this happening.
This sporty sedan may look nice and be really fast, but for all that money, you don't even get a trailer hitch.
You may be thinking, this truck's got a trailer hitch, but it's also massive and gets horrible gas mileage.
For only a fraction of the price, the Lada 2107 is the best of both worlds. It can tow a full-size Jeep with ease and fits comfortably in the average-sized garage.
Lada 2107 comes with a manual transmission and a foot-operated cruise control for full control of the vehicle at all times. It also comes with hand crank windows and adjustable bucket seats.
The new Lada 2107 will go just about anywhere and do just about anything. You can have a lot of adventures in your rugged new car.
If you order the Lada 2107 right now, you get an AM/FM radio absolutely free. That's right, I said free.
Free!
Free.
Free!
Free.
Free!
The new Lada is 100% made in Russia. You know the Russians always make good stuff. Just look at their tanks. Your new Lada 2107 is backed by our lifetime guarantee, where in Russia, you don't outlive the car outlives you. They say you can't buy happiness, but for just 24 easy payments and $99.99, you can buy a Lada it.
Above terms subject to change without notice. Rules and restrictions apply. Only available in 43 states. Please contact local authorities for more info in your state. Always drive on roads and not people. Not suitable for children under the age of 3. Actual crash tests may vary. Please avoid drinking before operation. Do not read while operating a motor vehicle. Dealer prep extra. Do not attempt to put in pants.